looking for the customer center, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you go about it. Up here on your menu bar you're going to see the word customers, and right underneath the word customers you're going to see customer center. You simply click on the customer center, and this is going to show you all of the customers as well as the particular jobs that they have lined up. When you're looking at the customer center, you're going to see a variety of options for you. You can have actual businesses, you can have personal people, again depending upon what your specific needs are. It doesn't matter. Whatever types of customers that you think is necessary to track on when you're looking at invoicing them, as well as tracking where you're directly receiving funds from them, this is a great option for you. As you can see right here, we have Christy Abercrombie, and she has 3 sub-jobs underneath her. Under this, we have a family room, we have a kitchen, and we have a remodeled bathroom. One of the things that a lot of people don't utilize is the sub-jobs, and that's perfectly okay as well. Some people just simply need to have one particular customer, and they're not looking at jobs specifically for that particular customer, which is fine. However, you look at Robert Allard, he has a remodel job. The balance on the remodel job is $14,510. However, if he had other jobs underneath that, it would still follow up into Robert Allard itself with a total of $14,510. Another example is Jason Birch. He has a room addition of $1,005, and therefore everything that he owes specifically is $1,005. For more videos like this, please stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel.